Santa Claus. Was the nightmare before Christmas, and all through the house. Not a creature was peaceful, not even a mouse. The stockings all hung by the chimney with care, when opened that morning, would cause such a scare. The children, nestled all snug in their beds, would have nightmares of monsters and skeleton heads.
Happy holidays, everyone!
This year, he's decided to play Santa Claus. But you might see a few flaws. And now, a dark carriage will take you away. Sit back, rest in peace, in the black Christmas sleigh.
A man in black makes a wonderful dream. Jack's holiday vision was on track no other. So ring out the bells. There's more cheer to uncover.
The future and transcend. 11 candles floating. There's scent of mystery in the air.
Happy holidays, everyone! What's your name? Come on, don't be shy. It's Christmas! Have you been good this year?
It's all good. Every step is fine.